Now, somebody cared enough about you to let you know about our organization. A bunch of people, single moms, single dads, college graduates, we don't care, accountants, lawyers, doctors, educators have come together to create the Wealth Syndicate. If you believe in creating money, protecting money, multiplying your money, and increasing your money, then you're in the right place. The Wealth Syndicate is a group of all these individuals that have come together and decided to pull back the curtain and reveal the rules of the wealthy. Now, let's be clear. I make no guarantees of income. Individual results vary. You got to put in the work. Although I'm going to show you a large amount of success, I want you to think about this for a minute. What do we all have in common? It doesn't matter how you make your money. Let me tell you what we have in common. Whether you're self-employed or an employee, whether you're a successful business owner, it doesn't matter if you're already wealthy, you're an athlete, you're an entertainer, you're an artist, you're a rapper, you're a movie star, or you're already rich. You know what a lot of people have in common? It doesn't matter. You don't know what to do with the money because this information oftentimes is not passed down. You don't know what to do. Now, I'm not speaking to you personally, right? You may have it going on from top to bottom, but 90% of all Americans don't know what to do with their money. And we see this all the time. Do you guys know there's a stat? Over 70% of all NFL players will file bankruptcy 5 years after they retire. You made millions of dollars for many, many years, and 5 years later, you don't have it. We saw what happened with Nicolas Cage. Nicolas Cage was in all these movies with John Travolta, Face Off, and lost all his money and was broke and had to start over. I'm not knocking or judging anybody. I just know what starting over looks like. What that means is getting money in America is not necessarily the problem. It's how you keep the money and how you protect the money. So what we do in the Wealth Syndicate with our wealth membership is we are masters of showing you what to do with it. Steve, most people don't have access to all of these resources. And guess what? They never will, guys. This is by design. People don't teach you positive cash flow, multiple income streams. We talk about it, but most people have multiple income puddles. People don't teach you asset accumulation and wealth protection and generational wealth, along with the education and implementation. These are the keys that you need. But most people don't have access to these resources. So what we want to do is show you MWR Financial, that stands for Make Wealth Real, and why we are the best kept secret. We provide a premium financial membership that allows you to create wealth and unlock the vault and give you all those resources most people will never even tell you about. Our team is a team of professionals. Our team has years and years, put it together, a century of experience. Now, what does this mean to you? MWR is going to allow you to participate in $1 billion industry, 58.2 billion to be exact. And what is that? Well, promoting. See, this is what I like about this. You're already promoting. You promoted a restaurant recently. You promoted a movie recently. You promoted a TV show recently. You promoted a book or an ebook, what cell phone service to use, what gas station to go to. Hey, man, they're cheaper up the street. You promoted something and didn't get a check. If I got a check for every time I promoted Breaking Bad or Game of Thrones, man, I'd be a billionaire. I tell people all the time, you got to watch this, you got to watch that. Well, we all promote. We promote on Instagram. When you share somebody's video, you promoted it. YouTube, you promoted something. When you put a video of yourself, you promoted something. But guess what? We get paid up to $15,000 a day for promoting wealth. Can you promote a wealth membership that's going to make you wealthy? Well, Brian, what's in it? Man, here's the question. What's not in it? What you might want to ask yourself is, what do we have that's not in the membership? Man, we're talking about tax reduction, your biggest expense going away, your bills dropping, your debt getting eliminated, your credit getting restored. But then we got the big boy stuff. What about the keys to home ownership? That's one way to start getting the ball rolling. A renter now can become a homeowner. What about the diversified cash flow fund and the private reserve account? Now, instead of you getting 1% at the bank, here's my question. If the bank is giving you 1%, that means they're getting 15, they're getting 8, they're getting 10. Why don't you get the 15, 8, and 10? We unlock the keys in the wealth membership to where the bank is putting your money, so you can go ahead and just park it there. See, this ain't rocket science. All you got to do is do what wealthy people do. The land banking piece, where way before a subdivision comes, way before development comes, way before the Olympics comes to Antelope Valley, California. Our land in Antelope Valley was purchased years ago. Now our membership gives you the rights to purchase parcels of the land. And guess what? You get the deed and you can sell the deed when you're ready. Hint, hint, clue, clue. The Olympics will be in Antelope Valley in 2028. When that area gets a makeover, your land is going to go through the roof. See, these are the keys to the wealth membership. These are the kind of things that are in this bundle. These are the kind of assets that are in this package. And these are the kind of things that have to be passed down. Do you know about a complex trust where you give the IRS 0 to 5%? Do you know how to start your legacy with your unborn children? You see, when somebody's wealthy, they leave a legacy. But what we do is teach you how to live the legacy and leave the legacy. Now, let me just show you what the membership has actually done for people. What about Charles and Judith Ivory? Charles didn't even have a job when we started about 3.5 years ago. Now he and Cookie are building their dream home, both credit scores in the 800s. Dream home, 6,000 square feet, detachment, 2,500 square feet. I went and took a visit myself. They'll be moving in the next 30 days. Got the water all behind them. The swimming pool was dug out. And now the fact he didn't have a job 3 years ago doesn't even matter because he's living out his dreams. They're making 5 figures a month. What about Gerald Parker? Got his dream house now, or his vacation home down in South Florida. He lives in North Carolina. Now when he needs to get away from the Carolinas and go down to the beach, he's got his own property. Paid his car off with cash. Credit score increased 128 points. Taxes reduced by hundreds of dollars per month. Debt eliminated 52K. I don't know much about this guy right here, but his name is Brian Bean. Very, very fortunate to have millions of dollars in assets in my trust. My credit score went from a 734 up to an 820. I just purchased a condo in Dubai, unit 809. If y'all ever in Dubai, you can come see me. I got 20 acres of land here in Atlanta, Georgia, about to add another 3 acres to it and build some tiny homes. This is what the membership does, guys. I didn't have the mindset to go ahead and buy a condominium in Dubai until I had the confidence to learn more about the real estate game through land banking. See, I didn't have the confidence to purchase the 20 acres in Atlanta, Georgia with a lake until I understood the power of getting in position and making thousands of dollars per day. I didn't have the confidence to get my credit scores in the 800s. I didn't even know that was possible. I just let the experts in the membership do it. See, when you got this bundle and this gold brick, you ain't got to hit people over the head with it. You just let people know everything you need is in this box. And if you want the box, we got it for you. Now, if you want to speed up the process, you can promote that membership. You can let people know that this best kept secret is no longer a secret. And you can become what we call a wealth promoter. The more points you get, the bigger your check every day. That's basically what it boils down to. Do you know 3 people who want their credit score increased? Do you know 3 people who want their trust fund, their legacy wrapped up in a trust so they can pass it on for generations? Do you know 3 people who want to get out of debt or make money every day? Well, that makes your membership free. So now your investment comes back even faster. The daily guarantee, look at that, number 1, anywhere from $150,000 to $450,000 per month. That's just one of the ways we get paid. So our first step is to get you $150 a month so that the membership actually pays for itself. Let us know, right? It's 2 kinds of people, basically. If you want to be a wealth promoter, add $100 to your membership, and it's $249. So y'all thought we was gonna break the bank, right? $249 if you want to promote and make money with us every day. That's a one-time upgrade of $100, which is included in the $249, and then it's simply $149 per month, which brings you back an extra $2,000 a month on average, right? On average across the companies. So listen, get with the person that invited you to the Zoom. Let them know if you're number 1, all the way in, or number 2, wealth membership only, and you just want to be part of that club, and we'll get you financially sound either way. What's up, everybody? It's Brian N. Bean, the Mentor to Millions, and I'm at Game Changer with another room full of future millionaires.
In my masterclass, I'm going to teach you the same tools that I used to be able to tune in to those synchronicities. And I got this crazy idea. I thought, I'm going to just